Eurocrypt is an IACR conference, and the IACR is the International Association of Cryptological Researchers. It's the largest body of cryptographers in the world. They maintain a large archive called ePrint, and they also maintain most of the official conferences of the cryptographic community. So when a cryptographer wants to go through peer review, instead of submitting to a journal or going to a university and showing off their paper, what they do is they generally submit their paper to an IACR conference, and there are different tiers and levels of conferences. So among the top conferences, there's Crypto, which is usually held in Santa Barbara in California. There's Eurocrypt, which tends to float around different countries in Europe. And then there's AsiaCrypt, which floats around Asia. And each of these conferences are great opportunities for the cryptographic community to come together and conduct peer review on the latest and greatest of all fields of cryptography. So this can be everything from symmetric crypto, those are things like block ciphers, like what encrypts your hard disk, to public key cryptography. So that's the stuff that makes your internet connection secure and so forth. Recently blockchain has become very prominent in the cryptographic community, and Eurocrypt actually now has a dedicated blockchain track. So IOHK is a great patron of peer review research in the blockchain space, decided to submit a few papers to the conference, and we were lucky enough to get a few accepted, the most prominent of which is called Ouroboros Praos. Which is the latest and greatest of research we've done in the proof of stake space. So a lot of our researchers have flown out from all over the world. Some came in from Tokyo, some came in from Europe, some came in from America. And we've had an opportunity to have those researchers meet with the broader cryptographic community and discuss all kinds of problems that we tend to work on, as well as review the solutions we feel that we're bringing to the space.